013023 Friday/link. Thank you for visiting with us at The Patrick and Stephanie Show, where we feature tips and tricks to help you get found, get noticed, and raise your brand awareness. Every Monday and Friday, we share our digital marketing tips on how to increase your online brand awareness. Patrick here. Today, I am pleased to feature my favorite 5 amazing tips I use to find the best topics for my blog. And also, rarely before seen insights concerning how to find the best topics for your blog. If your medium reads and views are anemic, you have come to the right place to turn that around. You can get your readers to open your post if you have a compelling headline. But if your blog topic is not what they want to read about, you may be disappointed in how many folks read your story to the very end. Almost all of us know that blog topics are an important part of a successful blog. However, some bloggers simply write about whatever is on their minds, creating an online journal of sorts. Successful bloggers know that to have a great blog, you cannot always write about what you want to write about. You must also keep the interests of your readers in mind when writing. After all, if you want a successful blog, you have to depend on the readers to show up often. To keep your blog as fresh as possible, consider using these 5 ways that I use to find winning ideas for your blog topics. My 5 favorite tips for finding winning topics for my blog. Do your research. Smart bloggers know that each day there are popular search terms listed on large search sites. Bloggers can use these search terms to help them get more traffic to their blogs. Each day a blogger can look at these popular search terms and create posts using them. If the blogger is lucky, they will increase their traffic due to more people looking for that term. By researching the topics that are hot with readers each day, bloggers can create things specifically for their readers. Doing research may take a little time and you might never be writing about what you want to write about, but you will likely have more traffic than ever. Ask around. If you have been blogging for a while, you might have begun to hit low points where you have no more topic ideas left. Some writers call this writer's block, while others just see it as a small hurdle to be surpassed. When you have come to this difficult point, the best thing to do is ask around. Talk to interesting people you know. You can ask them what topics they find most interesting at the time. If you would rather be a little more subtle, simply bounce a few topics off of them to see which ones they respond strongly to. Use the topics that they respond to strongly to gather ideas for posts. Use the news. The news is a great place to gather topic information for your blog. News teams research and investigate for hours to gather their topics. By using similar topics, you can skip all of the hard research work and still be a success. Never use their ideas exactly, just take them and use them to develop your own. For instance, if there is a major political issue going on in the news, consider creating a post about what you think about it. You don't have to use the news story, just the topic idea along with your own words. Follow the lead of others. When you are looking for great blog topics, consider visiting popular blogs to see what they are talking about. Don't steal their ideas, but use the visit to stir up great ideas of your own. Sometimes when you see others working at their highest potential, it can spark new potential in yourself. You can see which topics get the best response for their blog and decide if you could get the same response with a similar topic. Sleep on it. If all else fails and you are still trying to come up with a list of interesting blog topics, consider this interesting strategy. Go to sleep each night with a clear head. In the morning, before you even open your eyes, target the first thing on your mind. Write it down immediately so you don't quickly forget. Then use these things to develop interesting blog topics. You would be shocked at how inspiring your first thoughts can be. They are so interesting because they are not clouded with any outside stressors from reality. They are simple thoughts. These thoughts typically can be successfully used on your blog. Conclusion, and the takeaway. In my opinion, these 5 ways to find winning blog topics are proven to be among the best that I have been able to discover. A blog topic is one of the basic important aspects of your blog. Be sure that you pay attention to which topics get the best response on your blog so you will know which ones are most effective. Use all or some of these tips to help you get on your way to better blog topics right away. I hope you have found my podcast to help answer your questions concerning rarely before seen insights concerning how to find the best topics for your blog. Please share your sentiments in the comments section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our video. We deeply appreciate your doing so and hope that you enjoy our sharing our information concerning tips and tricks to help you get found, get noticed, and raise your brand awareness. Stephanie and Patrick signing off until next time.